help with whatever problems are brought to us. And so if you or anyone else, that you know has some issue or something that they could use some government help with, my office is there to try to do that. And I also, as the state legislator, the state assemblyman, one of my jobs is to be the voice of the neighborhood. So where there are concerns, if you bring them to my attention, I want to be, voicing what you, need or what your concerns are. I always say to people that a elected official should not say that they are powerful, that they have the power. The power is really with the people. We are your voice. And when you need something, by you coming together and voicing your concern, then I am able to voice that concern beyond and try to get some things that are needed done. So power should not be from me, it comes from all of you. The neighborhood gives me whatever power I have, and it's my job to be your voice and to express what things you have concerns with. We have one neighborhood issue right now which I'm working on, which is they want to put a garbage station on Shore Parkway and Bay 41st Street, 26th Avenue. The city wants to do this. And one of the things that is we've been fighting against it not because we don't want a garbage station. I mean, it shouldn't really be in a residential recreational neighborhood, but that particular site was the site of an incinerator for 30 years, burning toxins. And on that very site now, they want to build a garbage station and reintroduce all these contaminants, these toxins, back into our neighborhood. And so that's one of the things that I've been fighting on, and working with people in the neighborhood to try to voice our opposition to it. And it's a difficult fight, but I never run away from a fight just because it's difficult. Whatever issue is of concern to people in the neighborhood, it's my job to voice that concern and that issue. And so if you have concerns, you have issues, bring them to my attention. I can't promise you we're going to solve every problem, but I can say that we're going to try our best to help everyone who comes to us with an issue or a concern or a problem. So the office is on Kings Highway and West 13th Street, 155 Kings Highway. And we're open basically Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thursday we open at 12 noon, and we're open until 8 p.m. And then Friday is basically a shorter day so the staff can catch up with their work. It's 10 a.m. to 12 noon. So if anyone has any problems, or neighbors or family who need help with something, feel free to come to the office, and we have a full staff there that is prepared to help people with whatever issues or concerns that they bring. And I don't know if anyone has any questions.
Yes. I have actually a question. Recently, just with what's going on in the world, it is very concerning for members who are part of this community, the safety of our mosque and the people who are attending. There are women on that side with children. So is there any way that we can have any increased surveillance or any, like during prayers or for Friday prayers when we have more traffic here? Also, the area, I think there's supposed to be like a no parking sign that should be across for safety reasons, but we don't have that. So people, whoever is on the block, they can just park here.
Yeah, no standing type.
Or no standing type.
Okay, if you can show me afterwards where that is.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, again, we will contact. I think it's the Department of Transportation that deals with that.
Right.
In terms of safety, obviously, it's important for everybody to be safe and secure.
Right.
And we certainly would, contact the local precinct and make sure they're aware of, in particular, what hours, people may be coming here. There may be prayer services, and that they should, pay special attention. Right. So if you can, let me know that, then we'll try to set that up. And we might even, if you feel it's necessary, arrange for a meeting with the local precinct commanders.
We would like that. That's
so
important. Also, because we're a population, also, America is based on immigrants, people coming here. A lot of people who are coming here from other countries, India, Pakistan, all over the world, they're coming here. They don't have that social network of getting housing, getting education, getting any benefits. do you have any contact person that they can go through for that also?
Yeah, basically all the staff in the office deals with those issues.
Okay.
And we have people, the staff comes from many parts of the world. We have, people who speak Chinese, people who speak Russian. My district office administrator is Sarah Sarawat, who is Bangladesh.
She's Bangladesh.
And she basically is the highest person in my office. So yes, people can come to my office and we'll deal with those kinds of issues and those kinds of problems.
Okay.
And, it's very important that I think people work together in the neighborhood. This is a neighborhood of immigrants. Back in the 1900s, the immigrants came from Italy and Ireland and Eastern Europe. In the 2000s now, immigrants started coming from China and Russia and South America and the Middle East. And it's by all the people who come here, the families who come here, speaking different languages, different cultures, different traditions, but by working together with each other, we make the neighborhood great. And that's what we strive to keep doing. I'm very happy to be here and to see this very positive drive and to work together with you to make sure we spread that throughout the entire year.
Thank you very much for coming, sparing your time for this and seeing with your own eyes how things are going.
Yes.
Our community is service oriented, and we will be happy to serve wherever our services are needed.
Absolutely, that is wonderful. And some representatives have come to me from this mosque last year and again this past week, and that's why I found out that this was happening today, and I was very happy to be able to come and to visit you and to see it firsthand.
We really want to thank you very much. I met Assemblyman on the last Friday. And we had a very nice chat. And I found him a person of people. Always wanting to help, And I said we would like him to address us. Thank God we just spoke about it.
On a good day.
And here he is, So we would like him to visit as often as possible. We'll invite him on a interfaith symposium, and we would like. I told him also that a staff of his office may address the women auxiliary and the men's side to answer their questions. And of course, you are going to show him now the area of no standing zone, which he will direct you and guide you. So once again, thank you very much, Mr. Colton.
Absolutely.
Our pleasure to have you here.
Yes, it's my pleasure and my honor to be here because this is what the more we do this kind of thing with all groups in the neighborhood, the better the neighborhood gets and a better life it is for all of our families.
Thank you.
Okay.